Hey everyone, for this problem, we're going to use the percent proportion to figure out 6 is 4% of what number. All right. So again, we have the percent proportion over here. So come on over here and grab a marker or a pencil. It's up to you. Okay. So the question again is 6 is 4% of what number? So I know the percent is right here, 4, right? So remember, the percent always goes above the 100. So 4 is going to go right over here, right above the 100. And then 6 is 4%. So 6 is only the part. So the 6 will go right here, which means the whole is going to be the unknown. That's what we're going to be looking for. Okay. So now to write the equation, remember the cross products are going to be equal. So 6 times 100 is 600. And that's going to equal 4 times n, which is 4n. And then to solve the equation, we're going to divide both sides by 4. And 600 divided by 4 is 150. So that is our answer. So 6 is 4% of 150.